Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Screen Studio versus Camtasia. We'll dive deep into their core functionalities, examining how each platform handles screen recording, video editing, and export options. My goal is to provide a clear, unbiased overview, helping you make an informed decision about which tool is the superior choice for your specific projects, whether for professional tutorials or creative content creation. Screen Studio excels with its intuitive interface and powerful animation capabilities, allowing for stunning visual effects and smooth transitions with minimal effort. Camtasia, on the other hand, offers a more robust video editor, complete with advanced audio controls, green screen effects, and interactive quiz features. While both record in high definition, Camtasia provides a broader range of post-production tools for complex projects, whereas Screen Studio focuses on streamlined, high-quality output. When it comes to ease of use, Screen Studio shines with its minimalist design, enabling users to create professional-looking videos in just a few clicks. Its drag-and-drop interface and preset animations significantly reduce production time. Camtasia, while more feature-rich, requires a greater investment of time to master its extensive editing timeline and numerous options. For quick, polished recordings, Screen Studio is excellent. For intricate, multi-layered projects, Camtasia offers unparalleled flexibility. Regarding pricing, Screen Studio generally offers a single, upfront payment for a perpetual license, making it a cost-effective solution for long-term use without recurring fees. Camtasia typically provides a perpetual license as well, but often with an optional annual maintenance plan for updates and priority support. Consider your budget and how frequently you require new features or technical assistance. Both offer excellent value, but their pricing structures cater to different user preferences and financial models.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.